Hey guys, so today I'm just going to show you the few plants that I have indoor. This is my little dining area right here. We have another one on the other side that we use the most. This side we do a lot of homework and puzzles and projects over here. And this right here is an art wall that I did for my daughters from a lot of different drawings that they've done in school. So I really like looking at them. I want them to look at it so that they could get inspired always and to be inspired to create. Right there, there's a quote that Picasso said that every child is an artist. And then right here on my table, I have a giant orchid that my beautiful neighbor gave me for my birthday. Right here. So the lighting might get a little bit dark when I walk over there because the sun is beaming right in through there. So I'll try my best to show you guys. So here we go. These are a few of my plants that I have indoor right here. This is the lithops. This is a cactus, a giraffe that I made from air dry clay. If I were to put this outside and let it get rained on, it would fall apart. Even though I sprayed it with clear, it will still fall apart. Here's the moon cactus. Don't know the name of these right here. None of these. These are some of the cactus that I had abandoned outside that I forgot about and were not receiving water. So this one had shriveled down to a little nub, and I googled why was my cactus shrinking, and I read that it was lacking water. So gave it some water and it just popped right back up. So that was pretty cool. I made this little arrangement right here. Hedgehog. This is the little bit of string of pearls that I have left from when I purchased one. It's holding on to dear life. They do not do well with me. Then here are more. Here's an owl. That's the one that I recently purchased at the school. Here's a mimicry or split rock that I got yesterday. This is a domino cactus. So this one had also had shrinkage, and I really didn't notice until I started looking a little bit closer. I noticed that it had shrunk. It had wrinkles. So I gave it some water, and I don't know if you can see where you see the white part. That's the white part that was down that had shrunk, and when I gave it water, it popped right back up. So obviously I would like to fill this with more plants, even though it might not be appealing to people, right? Less is more, but since I like looking at them and I like collecting them, the more the merrier, right? This little planter right here, I redid. It had a lot of the stuff was dying in there, so I redid. These are some cuttings right here, and then this has roots right here. That doesn't, and then these in the back do have roots. This is a drawing that my daughter had made, and I stuck it on there with a Mod Podge. And outside it did get a little dirty and moldy, so I brought it in and we'll see how it does. This is here the bunny cactus, and then the mean thing over there. So this area is really good. It does get a lot of light. This is a south-facing sliding door window. Sliding glass door. A lot of sun does come in through there. Right now, it's okay. I just have to keep an eye out in the summertime, see how my plants will react with the beaming sun coming through. I do have that curtain there, the sheer one, to protect it, so to filter out some of the strong light. But I think it's gonna do fine there. I wish actually the sun came up higher, because then I could have more plants up there, but I can't. The sun only goes there. I have an overhang, so the sun really doesn't come that much up here, but hopefully whatever plants I do put in there, maybe it's enough light, or I could just switch them around and they could take turns. Not a big deal. I would also like to get another one right here, maybe not so tall. They do have a shorter one. This was at Target for 70 bucks. I think it was on sale, I'm not sure. But they do have one, I think it's $45, and it's a little bit shorter. After getting this one and seeing that not a lot of strong light came up there. I kind of wish I went with the shorter one, but what can you do, right? So here, guys, this is my small indoor plant collection. I do have some more. I have one in the kitchen, two in the bathroom. I have one right here. And then some in the front porch, but I just wanted to share you guys my little shelf here that I have indoor. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, guys.